In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people that click your links in Moosend. Start by opening your browser and searching for Moosend. Click through to the official website so you're in the right place. Then select Log In and sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the Automation section. Here, choose Create Custom Automation to build a flow that automatically adds a tag to anyone who clicks your links. In the Automation Builder, click Select your trigger. From the list, choose an email engagement trigger. You'll see two useful options for this setup. When someone clicks on any link in a specific campaign, or when someone clicks on a specific link in a specific campaign. If you want to track general engagement for a campaign, go with the Any Link option. If you're measuring interest in a particular offer, resource, or button, choose the specific link option for more precision. Next, select the campaign you're monitoring, and if you chose the specific link route, pick the exact URL you want to track. Decide whether the trigger should fire every time the person clicks, or only on the first click. First click is great for intent-based tagging, so each subscriber gets the tag once, avoiding duplicates. Choose every time only if you have a clear reason to track repeated clicks, like scoring or advanced analytics. With the trigger set, click the plus icon below it to add a flow step. Open the Actions category and select Then Add Tags to Member. This is where the magic happens. Tags help you segment your audience so you can send more relevant follow-ups based on what they've shown interest in. Enter the tag you want to apply, such as Interested in Product A, and click Save. Keep your naming consistent and descriptive so it's easy to filter and build segments later. Think in terms of intent or topic, not just the campaign name, so the tag stays useful over time. Finally, make sure the automation toggle is set to active. If it isn't active, nothing will run. Once activated, anyone who meets your trigger, clicking any link in the chosen campaign or the specific link you selected, will automatically receive the tag you defined. That's it. You've set up a clean, reliable way to tag link clickers in Moosend, which makes it simple to build segments, personalize future emails, and trigger targeted follow-ups. Keep your tags consistent, monitor performance over time, and you'll have a powerful foundation for smarter email marketing.